Hey guys, RPM here. Hey guys, RPM here.
Hey guys, RPM here. Where is it?
The mining gods.
Where is it?
The mining gods.
Stop giving me the same answers.
The mining gods.
Okay guys, I'll update you all in another video. Thanks for watching, have a good one. And peace out.
Yes, sir. You're on the Yankees YouTube channel. All right, boys. We got the 6.0 block loaded up. We're going to bring it over to the machine shop and see what they can do. I'll take some video while I'm there, and hopefully they'll let me take some video when they go to machine it as well. Let's get into it. Well, I'm an idiot. I forgot the cam bearings at home, so I'm on the way back, and then I'll head back out again. Damn it. All right, we got the stupid cam bearings, so let's go ahead and hit the road. Sorry, it's been a bit sporadic. I dropped the other block off and got our tractor set up to get our new block. We're gonna go ahead and unload it. This is a Gen4 6.0 block, bored to a 30 over. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it looks great. New cam bearings. Oh, they even leave that oil galley thingy in there. Gen 4. But this doesn't have the DOD. This has the DOD delete. And then we have it bored to a 30 over. So yeah, hopefully our pistons that we get fit in there with the right amount of clearances. Hell yeah. Come on at me. If I were a rich man, I'd have this shit done, man. All right, so what you saw in this one, I got the new block, got that unloaded. Then I also bring the old block that I had from the teardown from previous videos. I have that at the machine shop now. That's getting bored over, new cam bearings, blah, 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 blah. You get the idea. Have our old heads over here, just gonna put those back together. Don't need to show you guys that. Next video I really wanna show a startup. So it's probably gonna be about a month, but you know, I'll show little clips here and there of things as I get them done. I don't wanna bore you guys too much. So that's gonna do it for this video. If you like what you saw, I know it was a short one. I just haven't had time to do a whole lot of stuff. So that's it. Keep watching. Stay classy. Bye now. Thanks for watching. Y'all come back now, you hear? If you don't chew Big Red,